This is the serpentine belt tensioner for a 2015 Hyundai Sonata with 2.4 engine. This particular engine has there's these two bolt holes here and that little pin right there. The pin goes on the bottom, so it sits like this on the engine, and the tension goes this way. You lift it up, and it pushes the belt down like this. This bolt here is a 17 millimeter. It was really hard to get off. I had to take this tensioner out the car and put on a vise and use a wrecker bar to get the bolt to come off. But this is the old one. It broke. Let me see if I find the crack in there, right there, and it just spins around. So there's no tension at all on the belt. So I don't know if the belt broke and it broke the tensioner or what, but that's what happened with this one. So I found this one. Just so happened to come across it because these are really hard to find. This tensioner here. So I'll be installing this. This bottom bolt hole is going to be hard to get on, but it takes a number 5 Allen key or hex socket for the two bolts. Put those on to remove and install it. So that's what I'll be doing next. Okay, down there is the spot where the tensioner goes. Right here is the two bolt holes, one down there, and there's a hole for the pin that goes in there. Requires these Allen bolts. Takes the 5 millimeter hex socket, like I was telling you before. So next thing for me to do is just install the pulley. The tensioner, and tighten it down. Okay, down there is the tensioner. This the tensioner. This is the pulley. It takes a 17 millimeter wrench to move the tensioner. Tensioner goes up like this, and you squeeze in the alternator, air conditioner, and the crankshaft pulley belt on. It's really difficult to get. Like I said, you have to special order the tensioner for this model, and the belt was special ordered also. This is the part number. Of the belt for this 2.4 Hyundai engine for a 2015 Hyundai Sonata. Hope it helps. Thanks for watching.